I think good storyteller has to be a truthful storyteller. I think the teller is very, very critical, and he or she has to obviously tell it his or her own way. That's the fun of a good story. Otherwise, like say रामानंद सागर का रामायण भी हम लोग ने देखा है, जापानीज रामायण भी देखा है, एक और रामायण आएगा ना वो हम लोग फिर से देखेंगे, बिकॉज एक है कि स्टोरी है दैट आई नो कि अरे हनुमान वो पहाड़ उठाने वाला है, बट आई स्टिल वांट टू सी हाउ दैट गाय इज गोइंग टू टेल इट टू मी, एंड आई विल बी एक्साइटेड if that person tells it to me in a unique way, and that unique way has to be his or her own way of telling. Good storyteller is, the first thing is that person was truthful. Maybe I don't like that person's way of storytelling, or I may like it, I may not like it, but more important is that person should tell it his or her own way. Karan Johar tells his stories in a certain way, and Anurag Kashyap tells it drastically differently, and they both are very clear that I will tell it like this only. Both may not like each other's films, or both may have a respect for each other in different way, but they stick to their way of doing it, which I think is most critical. And that's what gives you confidence that if I like this, I will tell it. So for the storyteller, I think the storyteller is the target audience. For example, for me, I am my target audience. Otherwise I can't please everybody with, how do I know what you like and what you don't like? So for me, what I like is what I'll share with you, and I'll hope that you like it. And if you do like it, then that's what gives me the most satisfaction. And obviously, having told stories, it's a very interactive medium, and your audience is so critical. So when you're telling stories, you're also gauging the reaction. And because you want to entertain them, you don't want to tell a boring story, because even that storyteller doesn't want to feel sad, shit, they didn't enjoy it. So over the time of telling stories, you get a pulse of your audience, and that this is exciting me, and I know that this will excite them as well. Because as a teller, what you're giving to the audience, people share their stuff with different intentions. Like sometimes I want something good to happen to my audience also. Like a moral, if I have to tell a story, I may have a feel that I should tell a nice story, it should inspire them. Somebody else might say that I want to make a dark film, and it should really make them sad, and they should really cringe when they see. So the intentions of every storyteller is different, so they have to be truthful in executing that intention very truthfully.